Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing fine today. My name is Gaurash, and I'm back with about 4 to 5 hot stocks to watch for today. And Biden won the presidency, so all the stocks are going up right now. Also, we have a good news regarding the COVID situation. So the market is up for today. So most of the stocks are going up today. So for today, the best stocks to watch for are this ones. The first stock that I'll be talking about is Aurora Cannabis Inc. Ticker symbol is ACB. Pre-market price is 13.25. It is up by about 33%. Before as volume is 18 million. And I already told about this stock on Friday, uh, before the Friday market begins. So I was watching this stock from a lot of time. So it was around $7 to $8, and it went to about $13. So I hope those who have bought this stock have earned profits for them. And even today, there was a news for Aurora Cannabis that ACB shares up 30% pre-market as company posts Q1 loss, but revenue that beats estimates. So the revenue had beaten the estimates, and that's why this stock is going up today, and also because of the COVID situation news. The second stock to watch for today is American Airline Group. Ticker symbol is AAL. Pre-market price is 14.51. It is about 25 to 26%. Before volume is 23 million. The news for this stock was that airline stock blast off after upbeat news on potential COVID-19 vaccine. Because of COVID-19, all the airline stocks are going up today, and this is the second stock. All the airline stocks are second stocks to watch for today. The third stock to watch for today is AMC Entertainment Holdings. Ticker symbol is AMC. Pre-market price is 4.42. It is up by about 77%. Before volume is 12.67 million. For AMC, the news was that Pfizer vaccine news sent stock market biggest 2020 losers soaring. So because AMC is is related to entertainments, the theaters, and once the because of this news, because of the COVID news, AMC will also be opening their theaters once the COVID situation is carried out. So everyone is watching the Pfizer vaccine today, and this is the third stock to watch, according to me. The fourth stock to watch for today is Aptevo Therapeutics. Ticker symbol is APVO. Pre-market price is 61. It is up by about 157%. Before as volume is 400 to 500,000. The news for this was that Aptevo's lead drug achieves second remission in early stage blood cancer study. So, in addition to the one previously announced, Aptevo says a second patient in cohort 6 has achieved complete remission in a phase 1 trial evaluating its lead candidate in patients with acute leukemia and syndromes. So this was the news that came in today morning at 6:51 a.m. and because of its lead drug is achieving a second remission in early stage, so Aptivo is also boosting up, and as you can see, it is up by about 162%. So the last stock to watch for today is Calidatis Therapeutics. Ticker symbol is CALT. Pre-market price is $37. It is up by about 50%. Before as volume is 61,000. The news for this stock was that Calidiad's Nefcon successful in late stage study in kidney disease. So there was some positive top line results from part A of phase 3 trial, clinical trial investigated the effect of Nefcon versus placebo in patients with primary IgAN. The analysis included 199 patients. So they had a successful late stage study, and that is why this stock is going up today. This news came in 2:13 a.m. in the morning today, and that is why lots of people are watching all these stocks. This are all the five stocks to watch for today, guys. But ACB, American Airlines, and AMC, this will be my top things to watch because these are penny stocks, and I think they have already gained. And once the Pfizer shows any positive results for the COVID-19 vaccine, then I think all the stocks, all the market will be going up anyways. So keep that in mind, and And guys, I think we are very close to finding a vaccine for COVID-19, and once that happens, everyone will earn profit. So keep that in mind. And once if the market goes down from here, then please buy and hold it for some time. Any stocks that you think will be affected by COVID-19 are affected by COVID-19. So and please have a look at the charts first, and just buy at the lowest price, and wait for the COVID-19 vaccine results to come out, and then you can earn profits from them. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you like my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And thank you for watching, and have a great day, guys. Hope you will earn profits today.